This old-fashioned whiskey smoker kit comes in a gorgeous gift box and has everything you need to add that much sought after and delicious smoky flavor to your beverage. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Let's have a closer look. You'll get a light up ice cube, a spoon for wood chips and cleaning tool, the torch, some filters, glass, and an ice sphere mold. This is the topper, coasters, and flavored wood chips. Pay attention to the glass. Notice how it has this deliberate bump on the bottom. That way, when it rests on the countertop, it will always be in motion. They do give you a nice coaster with an indent that does keep it contained in one spot so it doesn't walk all over the place. That's a really nice touch. Here's the process. Put your drink in the cup. The screen goes in the top. Then you add some wood chips. Use the provided spoon. A little goes a long way. You don't need much. Light the torch. Give it a quick light. Cover it up. You want to wait about 15 seconds. You can see all the delicious smoke inside there. If needed, the torch does have a lock switch. It will stay on permanently. After about 15 seconds, you can let it breathe. Nice. This adds such unique flavor to your drink, and it is a very impressive way to entertain your guests and friends. If you want to have some fun, you can use the included fake plastic ice cube, which automatically lights up. Remember, there are ice sphere molds in here. I did not include them in this video, but that's another fun way to add even more unique qualities to your drink. With this beautiful box, it is ready for gift giving. Great for husbands, great for fathers, and great for anyone who enjoys whiskey. It is sure to be a crowd pleaser.